In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Substack sign-up form into your Squarespace website. This simple tutorial will walk you through each step so that you can seamlessly integrate your Substack form and potentially grow your subscriber base right from your site. Let's dive in. First, you need to access your Squarespace website editor. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and log into your Squarespace account, navigate to your website dashboard, and open up the website editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the option that allows you to add new content. This will typically be called the Ad Block feature. Once you find Ad Block, click on it. This opens up a range of content blocks you can incorporate into your site. The next task is to find and select the Embed option among the available blocks. This is a crucial step because embedding content allows you to incorporate external widgets or forms into your site. Click on the Embed block and you'll see an editing window or panel appear on your screen. In this panel, click on the Edit button to go deeper into embedding specifics. You're going to add a code snippet, which is a small piece of code that allows the Substack form to show up correctly on your page. You should see an option or button labeled Code Snippet. Click on it to access the code input field. In this field, you'll paste the embed code for your Substack sign-up form. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's head over to Substack to get the code you need. Open up a new tab and go to your Substack account. Navigate to your form within Substack and look for the Share feature associated with your form. Click on Share, menu and Share, and you should see an Embed option. Once you click on Embed, Substack will generate a code snippet for you. Here, pay attention to the Copy Code button. Clicking this will copy the embed code to your clipboard, making it easy to return and paste it into your Squarespace site. Now go back to your Squarespace editor, where you left the embed block open. Simply paste the Substack embed code into the provided field. The last step is crucial. Click on the Save button. This action ensures that all your changes and added codes are properly updated and saved on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Substack sign-up form onto your Squarespace page, offering an enhanced way for visitors to engage with your content. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thank you so much for watching, and happy embedding.